رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Sami Al Quran online classes. Inshallah, in today's class, we will learn Noorani Qaida second lesson, part 3. If you didn't watch our previous lessons, so please watch first our previous lessons and then come on this video. So today we will start from the Jim. So I will read first and you should practice after me. Let's start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم جيم جيم حاء حاء خاء خاء حاء ثاء حاء ثاء. Look here, the first one is ha, which is in purple color, and the black one is tha. As you remember that Jim, Ha, Kha, these three letters always come in same shape. Jim has one dot in the bottom, Ha is without dot, and Kha has one dot on the top. So when the letters are coming jointly, so they change the shapes. So that's why you read this lesson carefully. So this purple one is Ha. We say Ha, Tha, حاثا خابا خابا. And here the green one is kha, which has one dot on the top. As you see here, kha has one dot on the top. In this one we have half shape of kha and it has one dot on the top. And also you remember the all green letters we read with the bold sound. So this one is kha. We say khaba, khaba. Jim ta, jim ta. And here the purple one is jim because it has one dot in the bottom. Jim ta, jim ta. Ta ha ta, ta ha ta. Here the first one is ta, which is in black color and it has two dots on the top. And the middle one is ha because it is ha shape without dot. And the last one is ta, which has two dots. So we read ta ha ta, ta ha ta. Next, ya jim ba, ya jim ba. So also you remember that this is not ba because this is the jim shape. Look here again. So this is not ba. So we say ya jim ba, ya jim ba. Ba khata. And here the first one is ba and the middle one is kha and the last one is ta. So we say ba khata, ba khata, ta, ta. Now this is the ha shape, but you remember that ha is always without dot. So ha don't have any dot. So when ha shape has two dots on the top, so it will become ta. So we say ta. Next, ha, ha, bata, bata. And here the purple one is ba, and this is ta because it has two dots on the top. So we say bata, yaha, yaha. And also remember that the ta and ha, sometimes ha shape has two dots on the top, so we don't say here ha because ha is without dots, and when ha shape has two dots on the top we call it ta. So here this is ha shape without dots, so that's why we say ya ha, ya ha. Next, taha, taha, nun ta, nun ta, ha, ha, ya ha ba, ya ha ba, ba ha alif, ba ha alif. And here the first one is ba, which has one dot in the bottom, and the middle one is ha, and the last one is alif. So we say ba ha alif, ba ha mim, ba ha mim. And here again the first one is ba, which has one dot in the bottom, and the middle one is ha in the different shape, like this shape. So this is a ha shape, and look here the middle one is same. So we read ba ha mim, dal, dal, ذال, ذال, جيم دال، جيم دال، جيم دال، خا ذال، خا ذال، را، را، زا، زا، جيم را، جيم را. And here the black one is jim and the green one is ra. So also you remember that the all green letters we read with the bold sound. So read again, jim ra, kha za, kha za, ra, را، زا، زا، يا را، يا را، تازا، تازا، سين، سين، شين، شين، سين لام، سين لام. And here the first one is seen because it has half shape of seen. Look here. So when seen joint comes with the letter, so they come just in this shape, like small w. So we read again, Sin Lam. Shin Lam. Shin Lam. And here the purple one is Shin. Like Sin and Shin are comes in the same shape but different as with the dots. Like Sin don't have any dot and Shin has 3 dots on the top. So be read carefully. Shin Lam. Sad. Sad. Zad. Zad. Ta. Ta. So here we bind up our class. Inshallah we will continue in next class. So just practice this lesson properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes, please subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes and like, share with the others. So we will meet on the next class. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.